Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. As you can see from the title, we have bought 4 cars from auction. We're currently on our way to Bedford BCA to pick up the first car. Today's just going to be a collection day. I'm going to show you around all the cars that we've got. We're not really going to go into too much detail of what needs doing. They are going to be for separate videos. But today we are collecting 4 cars, so we're going to pick that up. We are running a bit late. We're an hour late. It's currently 10:15. We left at 5:30. Traffic's been a nightmare as always, but we are going to be picking up the first of 4 cars today. So we're going to pull up here. Once I've got to go in, get the car out and stuff. Once I bring the car out, we'll show you a quick look around the car. We're going to take that back to the yard, and then we're going to go pick up 2 cars from our next destination. But I'll see you soon. Okay, so we're now on our way to Blackbush to pick up 2 more motors. So we've dropped off the Astra now, that's back at the yard, and now we're going to Blackbush. Now, we're in the truck, but I've got my friend Jay with me, active today. He's coming along. He's going to be driving one of the cars back, and the little worse for wear car is going to be going on the back of the truck. We have bought a bit of a Minger car. Yeah, we're just on the way to Blackbush now. Once we get there, we'll do a quick walk around, and then get them loaded up, get on our way back to the yard, and then we've got to go to Paddockwood after to grab the last car. So yeah, we're here now at Blackbush BCA. We've got to pick up 2 motors, so we're just going to walk in now. We'll grab the motors, we'll pull them out into the car park, and then we'll take a look. Yeah, let's go. Sounds good. We ran out of time yesterday to collect the full vehicle. We did manage to get the other 2 from Blackbush. I didn't film anything because time was getting on and I was trying to get back to get here to collect this one, but it didn't happen. So we've come this morning. To pick that up. So we'll go and grab it. It's a little Fiesta. Once we got it on, we'll do a quick walk around. Then when we get back to the yard, I'll walk around all the other cars, all 4 that we've picked up. Just have a quick look, and then obviously, yeah, we've got plenty of content coming. There's plenty of things to be getting on. The Astra that I walked around earlier, that's gone straight to the body shop because on the passenger side there was there's a little bit of a scuff on there, so I managed to get that straight to the body shop. So we won't be able to film anything on that just yet, but yeah, we'll get back and we'll show you the other 2 that we've got. Here it is. This is the one we've just picked up. We've just got back. It's what is it? It's 2007. 57 plate, Ford Fiesta. Starts on the button. It's got no MOT, but comes with a logbook. $132,000 miles. Logbook's there. Tyres are good. Style. It's got a nasty little scratch there, which doesn't look too pleasant. The bumper is a different shade of blue, so I may be swapping this for a Mark IV Golf diesel PD 130, but I won't know until the end of the week, so we might have a swap because the guys a few doors down, they specialise in Fiestas and my forte is VW, so there might be a little deal going on there. Now let's have a look at the other 2. We're not going to be doing any work on them today. Literally just want to show you what we've got now. The Astra Coupe, the convertible one, that's at the body shop. So we got that, we picked that up yesterday, and that went straight down to the body shop. I put a picture in of the damage. It's having the work done, and I've swapped the wheels on it already. So I've got some different wheels on it. because I'm currently driving an Astra and I want them wheels that was on that on mine. So we'll save that one till last. But I accidentally bought this one that I'm about to show you. It's a Mark V Golf. I made a rookie mistake. I literally logged on to the auction, saw a price that was very cheap, and I bid without even knowing what I was bidding on. So, I mean, for what I paid for it, you can't really go wrong. Let's flip the camera around and show you what we got. So, this is it. This is the Mark V Golf. Bit of a nasty bit of an accident there, so we'd need a new wing. The wheel has been bent slightly in, not that far in, but it doesn't smell too great inside the car either. I'm not gonna lie, it smells like someone who's been smoking has had it. That works. Yeah, it doesn't smell great. It's got logbook there, comes with logbook. Yeah, it's got 143,000 miles on it. There you go, little mirror hanging down, just sums the car up really. Right to here, yeah, it's not great, but that's why you should do your homework before you bid, because you don't actually know what you're bidding on, and you can end up with all sorts. It runs and drives, so that's a bonus. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I might just sell it as it is, flip it for a quick profit. But here we go. We've got this, a Mini Cooper 2007. It's a Mini Cooper one. It's not a Mini Cooper S. It's got all this black spray. They've got rid of the chrome. Could do with a little refurb, to be fair. That's the rubber. All these all faded, so different yellow plastic to metal. Not going to worry too much about that. Same as this. I don't know if you can see it in the light. But what a great little car. Bit of a Marmite colour. Either love them or you hate them. I love them. So have a look around the front. It's all been blacked out. Even around here. It's the R56 engine or R50 something engine. Not too clued up on the minis. Let's start it up. Fancy little key. Oh look. Oh god, what can I do that? We get more scrap in it. Right. Let's have a look inside of here. Here it is, the Mini Cooper. It has got an engine light on. The battery's low on the key. Alright, let's start this stop-start. Building 113,000 miles. Got a flat tyre as well. Yeah, engine lights on, and we need fuel. But I'm really happy with it. Well, I had a Mini Cooper S on the channel a couple of years ago, a blue one, a Checkmate edition. That was great. Had rear end damage. That was fun. So yeah, I think what we're going to do with that one is just give it a clean up. Find out why the engine management light's on. A lot of flat tyre and stuff. Sort out all this trims, you know, repaint some of these where it's faded. Do a bit of a job. Might paint the plastics go around the edge. That might spruce it up a bit. So yeah, the Astra is in the body shop. So when that comes back, I don't think that really needs anything else. I think it's literally just just that bit of damage, and then that's ready to go. Might put an MOT on it, then that'll be a nice quick flip. I mean, listen, for all 4 cars, all right, it cost me less than £2,000, so we're going to all the figures at a later date, but you can't really complain, can you? I mean, the Mini Cooper, I'd imagine that'll go for like £1,500, so it's not bad, is it? It's not bad at all. So I'm near enough to get my money back, all but on the Mini Cooper, all being well. So still got this as well. This is just a burden. I'm going to take the wheels off. What else? I've taken the air filter off. So what I might do is I'm going to put some different, just some standard wheels back on that. I might put them wheels on it, S3 ones. So what I'll do is put the S3 wheels on this, probably just sell it as it is, just to get my money back on that. Because I haven't got time. I've got these 2 here that I need to do. So, and obviously I've just bought 4 cars. I've still got the Focus that does need that needs to go into the garage, because on the last video we did, it was smoking a little bit. The smoking seems to have dulled down, but there's a little blank spot in the accelerator, so when you put your foot down it sort of judders a little bit, so we need to get that looked at. Oh no, that's been there. I've got a new ECU for the Touran. Not a new ECU, bought a different ECU because I thought the ECU was at fault. Got it demobilised and yeah, still won't start. So there's a couple of them that need to go to a garage, but yeah, we've got plenty of other work to crack on with. So anyway, waffling on. I'm going to wrap the video up there. So in the next video, we'll be cracking on with these cars. So yeah, it's all going to be coming thick and fast. So thanks for watching today's video, and I will catch you guys very soon in the next one. Take it easy, guys. Peace.